we're talking about leaves. Like, if you were a tree, how would you choose the shape of your leaf? First, where are you growing? Sunny spot? Dark spot? Shadow? A lot of seasonal changes? Cold weather? Hot weather? Temperate? Does it rain a lot? Do you have a lot of insects that would like to eat all of your leaves? Generally, leaves with a lot of surface are for temperate climate and for plants that lose their leaf during the winter. But if you're not going to lose your leaf during the winter and there's a pretty high probability of snow, well, the needle is the best form. There are a lot of plants of the Monstera type, but almost all of them has a lot of penetrations in the leaves. Why? This type of leaves is the best to resist wind, to resist rain. My favorite leaf to munch on. Nom 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 nom. Leaf fern. Wait! What? You have the upper face or the adaxial part that is super specialized in picking up the sun, and the abaxial part, so the lower face, that is super specialized in the gas exchange. Now, since on the Pistachia vera the leaves grows vertically and they are really confused about the direction of the sun, they don't have an up and a lower part. They are I don't remember the term. Shoot. Isolateral. Or Abrevipedicellus. Funny names. Well, not so fun. I mean, from the Latin. Brevipedicellus means a short, small feet. A small foot. Family HD Zip 3rd or Zip 3. And also, among this one there is a specific group that's called Yappy. A Yappy. While on the abaxial side, we have the Canadi genes and the Arth family. Now, these two groups are in constant fight. If one is active, the other one is suppressed. Super funny thing is that if you try to stop the fight, so you deactivate like both of them, and they are not in contrast anymore, well, you have a leaf without the lamina. pollinators insects. But at a certain point, they needed to invest in efficiency. So, like Magnolia grandiflora, it's so ancient that there were no bees at the time. And so, it relies on beetles.